All, welcome back to my YouTube channel AI Stories by Anjali. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the topic LangChain framework. So till now we have seen a lot of conceptual videos and also the applications that are involving the generative AI. So in today's video I am going to discuss about the conceptual topic LangChain framework, and in the next video we will be seeing an application using this LangChain. So before that, it will be very comfortable to get equipped with this LangChain framework and get to know more about this. So that's the reason that I have included this in our topic. So let us dive deep into the video. Before going to that, I would like to thank all my subscribers who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, and also requesting to the new watchers to please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel AI Stories by Anjali. So let us dive deep into the video. So what is LangChain? So many of you have been wondering, there are plenty of generative AI applications, generative AI tools and frameworks, right? So among those particular applications, or among those things, there are several frameworks that are used for developing those applications. So to get to know about the specific use cases and to develop a particular application, it is very important to deal with a particular framework, so that makes you to do your task very easily, and also it helps you to make your application more comfortable as well as flexible, and also to deploy easily. So that is the main reason that we are using these frameworks. So for generative AI, there are many frameworks, and this is one of the most important and widely used and also very helpful framework. So now let us see what exactly this LangChain is and how we can see the advantages and use cases of LangChain. Firstly, LangChain. So the name itself is indicating it is a series of things that are involved, and it contains a lot many things hidden inside it. So normally a framework consists of multiple things that are clubbed together, where you can directly use in your code for developing the applications. So LangChain is an open source framework, so that means you can use it for free, and that is useful for building the applications with respect to the large language models. So large language models are nothing but the models that we are using now. For example, the GPT, the BERT, etc. So for dealing with such kind of large language models, you can use this LangChain framework. And you know what exactly that the large language model are made up of. That means it has several deep learning hidden trained parameters which are trained on large tons of data, and whenever you have certain doubts or queries, you can just query it from the model. So this is the main idea behind the LangChain as well as LLMs. So I'll give a simple example which we see in so many types of applications in our video, that is answering the questions and summarization, etc. And also there are various applications like creating the images from the text-based prompts. So LangChain is such a widely used tool, and it helps us to improve the customization, accuracy as well as relevancy that the response the models have been generating. For example, usually you are using this generative AI technology for making your things automated, right? So in order to do such kind of things, there are multiple customizations involved in it. As I am telling in my previous videos too, the boutique example which I discussed in some of my videos. So you are preparing the application, you are building the application specifically for your own business. So in order to develop for your own business, you have to develop the data, like you have to create the data, you have to dump the data into your own set of documents, and you have to feed feed that particular documents to the LLM model. So this is how the process works. So to make this easily done, so this framework will be helpful. And not only for customizations, you can improve the existent responses, use like accuracy, and also the response that a particular application is giving. So all these things can be improved using this LangChain. And there are several examples, like you can build new prompt templates, as well as some existing templates improvisation, and you can also reuse the, like you can develop the template which can be reusable. So all these things can be done using the LangChain. And basically this LangChain also contains the components that makes the LLM to access the new data sets without retraining. So that is very important, because always if you consider any generative AI model, that means LLM model, Gen AI application, the main underlying task is training. So that involves lots of parameters as well as lots of cost. So in order to simplify that and also to reduce the latency, this is very helpful for directly accessing the data without retraining. So this is what exactly the LangChain is capable. So why it is important? So this is the main question that arises in our mind, because if a particular thing has been widely used in the market, we have to know what exactly that means and why it is making such importance and why it is why it is in demand. So that is the main idea that comes onto your mind. So that's why I have included this slide. So basically the LLM's main goal is to respond to the prompts in a general context, and to make the application more reliable and automated. But sometimes if you if you have experience in building the applications, then you can definitely observe this. You may aware of this. That means the LLMs are very good when it is responding to some general questions, but if you ask a specific question, then it cannot able to answer. For example, suppose you want to buy a new MacBook. So you just ask, what is the good MacBook? What are the general models? What is the most powerful laptop? And like that. But if you ask, what is the current price of that? Then it can't give you exact price, right? So why it is lacking that? Is it like lack of training in that or what? So that can be improved using LangChain. So that's the main advantage, and very helpful whenever you're developing applications. So because everybody wants the specific answer. If you want random answer, you can directly get from Google itself, right? Or else the specific answer will help, will make you to dig more. Like you have to go and search in the website, you have to go and search different links, you have to go and search different hyperlinks, different websites, and then you will come to a conclusion. But if that answer is directly given by your own model, then it's very easy, right? You will just directly get whatever you want. It's like a spoon feeding type, right? So that can be done with the help of this LangChain. You can train, you can get the specific answers. Okay, so that is the main idea behind the LangChain importance. And also it streamlines the intermediate steps to develop the responsive applications, and it helps us to do the prompt engineering more efficient. So why this particular line is more highlighted? Because for example, when you're developing any applications with respect to generative AI, you are using the prompt templates for giving the instructions, for giving the set of rules to the application to perform accordingly. Then you sometimes, even if you specify everything, it can't tell you the correct answers, right? So you will be wondering why, what happening like that, right? So you can you can be very much general in your response, but you can't be specific. As well as there are so many lines, so much clear instructions provided, but you are wondering it's not working. So this hurdle process can be reduced with the help of LangChain. And also this is designed to develop diverse applications which are powered by the LLM models with effortlessly. And also you can develop the chatbots, you can develop the question and answers, content generation, summarization text, and many more. Okay, so this is the main importance of LangChain. And with the help of LangChain, there are mainly three important things that you can do. The first one is repurpose the language models. That means whatever the language models that are existed, or if you want to develop the new model, you can use the existed one, and you can start from there without going from scratch, and you can simplify the AI development. That is the second purpose. That means whenever you are developing any AI related applications, you can make use of this LangChain library, and you can simplify this particular development process easily. That means in the normal logic or normal Python, you have to use several methods, and suppose if it takes 50 lines of code, with the help of LangChain there are several methods, and you can simply reduce the code also to 10 lines, so like that. So basically frameworks are very helpful, and it reduces lot of hurdles, lot of time, and lot of code. So this is the main advantage. And the third one is developer support. So whenever we are developing, we have so many questions, so many things running in our mind, and whenever that's your first applications, first time using the framework, or like first time developing the applications with respect to the technology, you will have so many things comes up in your mind, challenges that when you're working. So then the normal thing that a person will do is go to the documentation and referring, and other than that you'll go to the Stack Overflow. And now we are using GPT, so there will be some things that where GPT is not trained off, and there are some information which might not be available in the internet. Of course there will be multiple information available, but there will be some things which you cannot find directly. Then you can have your support from this LangChain framework, making you to develop easily applications. I'm talking about the support with respect to the Gen AI, that means AI applications, not the overall. Again, don't confuse. So these are the three main purposes of using LangChain, and we will see the in detailed explanation for each of this purpose, as well as the architecture of the LangChain and how it works, and also a simple code how you can use and get started with LangChain. And then we will continue with the application in our next week. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.